Today I am going to discuss different types of crosses that you may see and also different types that you may want to utilize in your artwork. The first type of cross is the Latin cross. The second type of cross is called the Patriarchal cross, and it is the Latin cross, but it also includes this top bar here, which I will go into detail in a little bit. This is a Celtic cross, and you will see the Latin cross and a circle. And they say that the circle can represent the halo, the divinity of the Christ, or eternity. And it can also be said that in early pagan religions, they recognized the circle as the sun. And so if pagans saw this symbol, they would associate this with the sun god. And so let's get back to this top bar here on the Patriarchal cross. You may also see this type of cross, which is usually a Russian or Eastern Orthodox cross. And you may see the inscription, which is the acronym INRI. In Latin, it is the acronym Iesus Nazarenus Rex Iudaeorum, which means in English, Jesus of Nazareth, King of the Jews. When they crucified people, they would sometimes put the crime that they were guilty of on this top piece of wood. And for Jesus, they wrote Jesus of Nazareth, but the crime that he was accused of was heresy because he claimed, to be the King of Kings or God. So they wrote Jesus of Nazareth, King of the Jews, meant to be like a mocking, but it really wasn't. So then you might also see another variation, which is similar. This bottom bar is the footrest. And in the Eastern Orthodox, it is tilted, which can mean the right side pointing to heaven, the left side pointing to hell. The Greek Orthodox variation has a usually straight bottom piece, and the inscription is INBI, because in Greek it is Iesus Nazarios Βασιλεὺς Ieudaion. So INBI is the acronym. So this is just a very, very general idea of these variations of the cross. If you would like to look up more information about it, I will, in the description, spell out the Latin and the Greek so that you can easily copy and paste it and do more research on those if you would like. Thank you.